Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my advanced trucking business plan template for 2024. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and walk through some of the updates that I've made to my advanced trucking business plan template. And I've also included a little bit of AI usage in there. So let's go ahead and run through this little presentation real quick. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, and owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all need some assistance in writing your business plan, you don't want to mess around with templates, you don't want the growth opportunities of writing your plan, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I also offer business mentoring services. Some of the topics that I cover in my business mentoring may be understanding financials, creating strategic plans, executing plans, or just about any topic that you can think of in regards to your business. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for business and finance. So if you need those financial projections done, you've got your business plan ready to go, but those financials are causing you some heartache, don't worry, don't stress. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Again, be delighted to assist in creating your financial projections, whether they are standalone or included in a plan. All right, let's move on with our template. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my advanced trucking business plan template, specifically the updates that I've made to it for 2024. So similar to my trucking company business plan template, what I've done is I used AI and I added just a general logo just to spruce it up a little bit. You can also use ChatGPT to create your own logo or use a logo that's already developed. But I did add a logo to it, so we got a trucking company up front, and then from there, underneath it's going to say your business plan. So you can just change trucking company to whatever the name of your trucking company is, and just leave business plan where it is because you want to tell the reader that this is actually a business plan. You want to set their expectations. The second change that I made for my advanced trucking business plan template is that I've updated the services offered segment, and I used artificial intelligence to spruce it up a little bit. So the meat and potatoes are still there. However, it's a little bit more flowery as compared to my previous versions from the previous years. So I spruced it up. And again, just like similar years, for example, in this section right here, if you just do dry van hauling for your trucking company, then you'll go ahead and remove freight transportation, refrigerated, and all the other services that you don't offer. Just delete them and just include the services that you do offer. The third segment that I've updated for 2024 is the industry research. As we all know, when you are writing a trucking company business plan, or any business plan for that matter, you want to have up-to-date information. And so what I did is I went to my IBIS World account. I retrieved the updated report, summarized the information, and extrapolated important information, and put it into the template. So now we are up to date for 2024 from the perspective of industry research. And then the final change that I made, or final update that I made, is I went through the PowerPoint presentation that's included in my advanced trucking company business plan template. Excuse me. And I updated all the information in there. So whatever updates that I made to my template, I now transferred that information into the PowerPoint presentation. So now my PowerPoint presentation is updated as well as the actual business plan template. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.